Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off third-party sign-in on WhatsApp Web for your PC. If you're concerned about the security of your WhatsApp account and want to disable the option for third-party sign-ins, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through the steps to turn off third-party sign-in on WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web on your PC. Step 2. Next to the web address, click on View Site Information. This will open a menu with various options. Step 3. Locate the option to turn off third-party sign-in and disable it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that only authorized devices can access your WhatsApp account through WhatsApp Web, providing an extra layer of security. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials on WhatsApp and other tech-related topics.